Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to eat tacos and like make a video, so I was like, combine the two. This is the video. There's basically only 3 steps. Well, like not 3 steps, but like 3 main parts you have to make. Just the shrimp filling, the tortilla shell, and the guacamole. My sleeves keep on rolling down and it's really hot and I just want them to be up. Step 1 is the shrimp. Obviously shrimp taco, you need shrimp. So I have raw shrimp. It's frozen and it says that it's already peeled and deveined. It just has the tail on, so I'm gonna have to take that off. This is the frozen shrimp and it says 2 pounds, which is a lot, I think. How much is this? Okay, everything's in grams. Okay, how much is 907 grams in pounds? Cooking, you don't really need measure like specific, like, yeah, well, okay, I'll just do like half of this bag. Yeah, if I make more shrimp, then whatever, I could just eat more shrimp. I might have to like defrost it, but I didn't think about that. Let's just open this. This is what it looks like inside. I'm just gonna like pour this into a bowl. Okay, my bowl. Dad, how much is 907 grams in pounds?
How many grams in pounds?
Yeah.
134.
Yeah, so half of that's gonna be like, oh, so this is only 1 pound. I have taken all the tails off the shrimp and now I'm just gonna cut them into 3s. Okay, this time my second camera is actually filming. The first time when I said that the camera was filming like the second angle, it actually wasn't because I didn't press record. But all you missed was me rinsing frozen fish with hot water, so like honestly I think I spared you from having to watch that. I'm just cutting the shrimp into 3 now. I actually have a second angle, so you guys will see that. Also, I want to make a Q&A video really soon, but I need your guys' questions to answer or else that video cannot happen. If you guys want to ask me anything, please just like leave it in the comments below. A lot of people have been asking like where I live. It's not that I don't trust you guys, but I don't know if I want to like give that information out. Now that I've cut my shrimp into 3s, I'm just gonna dump it into this bowl. Well, this is Karruche's recipe. And she said like Old Bay and onion powder to season it. Yeah, I didn't know that Old Bay was like a thing even. I didn't think I'd be able to find it in my grocery store, but it actually was available, so like it must be pretty popular. I've never heard of it before. And also bought onion powder. I didn't have that. I had garlic powder, but I didn't even know onion powder was a thing either. Yeah, it smells like sour cream and onion chips. I'll just do like a heaping tablespoon. That's a lot. Okay, maybe, okay, yeah. Now I'm taking the Old Bay. Ugh, there's a tinfoil on it. Well, this is a really cool cap. This is doing nothing. A little more onion powder. I feel like I put too much onion powder now, so maybe like more Old Bay. Now I have to chop up the vegetables to like go with the shrimp. So like the tomatoes, I hate chopping tomatoes, and onions. Now I'm at the stove with my pan. I'm just gonna turn it on to like high, medium. It said olive or canola oil, but I just have grapeseed oil. Yeah, it should work. I'm gonna add in the vegetables. I don't know if it's hot enough. So I'm gonna work on the guacamole. This is my avocado. I don't know how to get this off. Okay. I got these really big tortillas, so it said flour tortilla, and I was like, oh yeah, okay. But actually you're supposed to get those small ones, because obviously when they fold they'll make a taco shell, but if you fold this, it's gonna make a humongous taco. I'm gonna try to cut it into a smaller taco shell. It's my tortilla. I'm cutting it because it's too big. Okay, this is a better size. Look, it's like a crown. Oh, it's actually staying, wow. Easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on. Okay guys, it has been 3 hours since I started this video and I'm finally done everything. I can finally eat the taco. I just moved locations because I don't know. Well, yeah, it is a bathroom, but I don't think it's that gross. Like, I'm just eating in it. It's not like I'm on the toilet. Yeah, my whole family was downstairs. I just felt awkward like filming in front of like my grandparents. This is the final taco. I'm so excited to try it. Okay. It's really good. It's kind of cold. This took a while to make because it probably would have been faster if I didn't have to like film everything, change the camera angle and all that. It's just like a taco, a shrimp taco. Is it like the best thing I've ever eaten? No, but it's also not the worst. I don't know how long it would have taken me if I didn't film all this, like, but 3 hours for this I don't think is worth it. But if it's like an hour-ish, then yeah. Also, you don't have to like fry your own shells, which took a long time. But I think the best part of this taco is definitely like the shrimp filling. But like the rest is just kind of like an average taco. But yeah, that is gonna be everything for today's video. Yeah, I love doing this and I love making YouTube videos for you guys. And yeah, please remember to comment anything you want and in specific questions for Q&A. Oh, and also a lot of you guys have been asking me like what my Instagram is. I just recently made it public for you guys. I'll put it here. Bye.
Wrist looking like it been dipped. Dipping that, dipping that, dipping that. Script looking like it been flipped. Flipping that, flipping that, flipping that.